Okay, hi guys. So for today, we're going to be doing the packet on Meet Dion, pages 58 and 59. So we're going to be doing this one. I know we're backtracking a little bit because of packet-wise, but we're going to do that one. And let me go ahead and scroll down to the first assignment. So here we go. Let me go ahead and zoom it in so that you guys can see it. Okay, so Meet Dion. It says Dion is a salesman for a sports company. He uses math on his job. When he makes a business trip, Dion gets money for business expenses. This is a budget he has to stay within. He saves the receipts from his expenses. After Dion gets an order, he adds the prices to find the total amount the customer spent. So let me go ahead and go down to the questions. So these are the questions you're going to answer. It says, number 1, does Dion need to know math to do his job? Yes or no? Please answer your question on your packet. Number 2, circle all the ways Dion uses math on the job. A, when he makes appointments. B, when he totals a customer order. Or C, when he budgets his travel expenses. Circle the correct answer. Number 3, what do you think a travel budget for Dion is? Is it A, the amount of money he can spend for a business trip, B, the amount of money he can spend for clothes, or C, the amount of money he can spend for groceries? Answer the question. Now let's do the challenge question. Dion has $75 to spend on a business trip. He spends $74.95. Did he stay within his budget? Yes or no? Answer the question. Good luck.